Hi guys, it's Shelly with Fancy Sprinkles, and guess what we're making today? Breakable hearts. Now you're probably wondering, what are breakable hearts? Well, breakable hearts are basically just hollow hearts made out of some type of chocolate or a candy coating, and you can literally put whatever you want inside of it and then you smash it open. And you can put jewelry, money, desserts of course, anything you want. They make the cutest gifts because you can write a little message inside of them or even on top of it. Today we're going to be using Fancy Sprinkles Jumbo Conversation Heart Kit to create the breakable heart. And it comes with this silicone heart mold as well as this mini hammer. It also comes with Daddy's Girl Sugar Blend as well as Tourmaline Pink prism powder and this alphabet silicone mold. We're also going to be using Fancy Sprinkles' newest product, which is Easy Candy. Easy Candy is just a sweet confectionery coating that can be used to dip treats, to paint molds, to even drizzle on dessert. What makes it a little more different than other confectionery coatings is that it comes in this piping bag, which makes it really easy for you because all you have to do is heat it up, and I'm just going to show you how to use it. So let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start off by melting our Easy Candy. And I did want to mention that the Easy Candy comes in chips versus wafers, which is really nice because it's going to melt a lot easier. So I'm going to go ahead and place this in the microwave for 30 seconds. Okay, so I just popped it out of the microwave. As you can see, it's already starting to melt. I'm just going to massage it a little bit with my hands to distribute the heat before I put it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds. Okay, so I popped it out of the microwave now for the second time, and this is melted. I can feel it, it's all melted. I'm just gonna massage it to get any little bits that aren't melted. So yeah, now this is ready to use. I'm gonna go ahead and snip it. I'm gonna do a pretty large hole because we're gonna fill the mold with this. And I'm just gonna pour it inside. Now I'm going to take my popsicle stick and just go over the edges. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pop this into the freezer for 5 minutes just so it fully sets now. Alright, so I just popped it out of the freezer and now we're going to take it out. And to take it out of the mold, first you want to gently peel the mold away from the Easy Candy as much as you can. So now we're gonna attach them. I'm taking one of the hearts I made and I'm melting it over this half sheet that I heated over a double boiler. And I just melted the top of it, so it's gonna be nice and flat. And now we can fill it with the goodies we want. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and melt this just like I did for the first half. And then you're just gonna and I'm just going with my fingers across the seam just to close it up. Now I'm gonna dust the whole heart with Fancy Sprinkles Tourmaline Pink prism powder, and it's gonna be really sparkly and beautiful. All right, so I went ahead and used the silicone alphabet mold to make the word bay, and I'm just gonna place it along the side right here. And I'm gonna add a little bit of Easy Candy to the back of it to stick it on. And here it is. I'm actually obsessed with this one. It's so cute. I'm not gonna break it right now because I'm gonna give it to someone, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had a great time, and I hope you guys give it a try because you can literally put whatever you want inside of them. You could get so creative. and it makes the cutest gift to give away for Valentine's Day. Make sure to comment any other recipes you guys want to watch, And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fancy content. Thank you guys.